blow something up? Is my tire good?
No, it's fucked.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. If you missed the first episode for the Flip Wagon, which is this, I highly recommend you go watch it. I'll put it up here in the top corner. Just a little recap. I bought this thing for $500 a couple years back. It's been sitting for a while. I want to get it done, get it running, and flip it. I asked the viewers in the last episode to kind of let me know what they want to see with it. I mean, we can turbo it, slam it, we can do anything, just as long as I make a decent amount of money at the end to throw back into the channel. That's the main goal. So, if you got any ideas, leave it down below. Let me know. Also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button or hit that like button, go ahead and do it now. One last thing before we jump into it. I did just drop a new merch, which is this shirt, but in purple, and it is fire. I'll put it up on the screen here for you to see. The purple really clashes with the retro design and colors, and I only have a limited amount of numbers that I can make, so you better get it now while you can. So the plans for this episode is to get the engine out of this car, get it on the engine stand, and kind of look over with it, see what we're working with. Because if that engine's toast, that's really gonna put this project back, because then I gotta search, find one, so on and so forth. So let's jump on that. Let's get this motor out. got the engine out. We got it on the stand. Also try my best to save all these AC lines. Don't break them or anything when I was getting them out. So that's cool. Hopefully we can have AC when all this goes back in. Didn't have any issues getting it out really. Came out pretty easy. So next we need to get this head off, kind of see what's going on in the bottom end and see if it's salvageable. So let's take this head off. Thank you to our local pizza place for something to put the head on. We should probably take this off. Alright. All right. Take two. Oh boy. All right, tell me if you can spot the issue. All right. Well, let's get it, I guess let's get it flipped over and see how bad it is in there. Probably need to take the AC compressor off and stuff first, so. Be right back. So I'm taking the AC compressor off, which you see there. I'm gonna take the bracket off. When I take the bracket off, I hear something hit the ground. And it's this. I'm like, what the hell is that? Oh, that's just the block. Yeah, this thing's toast. Damn it. You know, I half expected this thing to not be good. So it is what it is that there is a rod thrown through the block. But we do have the motor in the back, that D60Z6, that we could probably use, or I'm sure I can find another one pretty quick. I mean, I got a lot of Honda friends. I kind of know where to look, so hopefully we can find one. But it does put some hindrance on the timeline, so maybe we go back on the Sydney's car, or we got some parts to throw on the Miata in the meantime, so not too worried about it. But like always, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button if you haven't already. And if you still have ideas for what we should do to this thing, because we got a little bit of time, leave it down in the comments. Let me know. I'll see you next one.